Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious croissants for breakfast. First, combine 250 grams of flour, 30 grams of sugar, 5 grams of salt, and 7 grams of active dry yeast in a large bowl. Next, add 150 milliliters of cold milk and 25 grams of softened butter. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead it on a lightly floured surface for about 5 minutes until smooth. Cover and chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. Now let's prepare the butter block. Take 125 grams of very cold butter and flatten it into a 15 by 15 centimeter square between two sheets of parchment paper. Roll your chilled dough into a 20 by 20 centimeter square. Place the butter block diagonally in the center of the dough, then fold the dough corners over to fully enclose the butter. Gently roll out the dough and perform your first single fold. Chill for 30 minutes, then repeat 2 more times. After the final fold and chill, roll the dough into a large rectangle about 3 millimeters thick. Trim the edges to create clean lines. Cut the dough into triangles, each with a base of about 10 centimeters. Starting from the wide base, gently roll each triangle towards the point to form the classic croissant shape. Place them on a baking sheet, leaving space between each. Proof in a warm, humid spot for 2 to 3 hours until visibly puffy. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush your proofed croissants with an egg wash for a beautiful golden finish. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are deeply golden brown and puffed. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Let your freshly baked croissants cool on a wire rack for a few minutes before enjoying their flaky, buttery goodness. They are perfect for breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.